Right then, here we go, part 2. You'll have to excuse the voice as I'm a little bit bunged up at the moment. But here we are, just measuring and cutting the jambs for the garage door. I bought these yesterday, gave them a couple of coats of primer. Now I'll just pilot in some holes ready to fix them to the wall. Here I am, checking its level, giving it a kick. Get the SDS out, drill all the holes, fix them in place. Same on the other side. Here I am just cutting the head down. I use 2 bits of timber to make the head because otherwise it was a special order. But we'll fix them together. Perfecto. The garage door is quite heavy, so I grabbed Ben to give me a hand. Right.
Oh.
That took a bit longer than expected. So there we go, as I say. Took a little longer than expected, but done. Happy days.